Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a PayPal account on your mobile device. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes. First, download the official PayPal app from your phone's app store. Once installed, open the app and tap the Sign Up button to begin. You'll then enter your mobile phone number, which PayPal uses to send you a verification code, ensuring your account's security from the very start. This initial step is quick and easy. Next, you'll provide some essential personal details to set up your profile. This includes your full legal name, a valid email address, and creating a strong, unique password. After entering these, you'll verify your phone number by inputting the 6-digit code sent to you via text message. Don't forget to also check your email for a verification link from PayPal. Clicking this link confirms your email address, adding another layer of security to your new account. It's all about keeping your information safe. Now it's time to link a funding source so you can send and receive money. You have the option to connect either a bank account or a debit or credit card. If linking a card, simply enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. For a bank account, you'll need your account and routing numbers. PayPal might make 1 or 2 small deposits into your bank account, which you'll confirm to verify ownership. This step ensures your financial transactions are secure and reliable. Congratulations, your PayPal account is now fully set up and ready for use. You can immediately start exploring all the convenient features. Send money to friends and family, request payments, or shop securely online at millions of retailers worldwide. To further enhance your account's security, I highly recommend enabling 2-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection, giving you peace of mind with every transaction. Enjoy the ease and flexibility of your new PayPal account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.